Good morning. I did not do a Take Time Tuesday this week, the week of February the 24th, because I just didn't have the time and I was watching the news, which was my mistake. And Kansas decided to up the level of insanity. And here's the issue. For those of you who didn't know, this week, Kansas State legislator just put into law that if your license has a different sex marker from what you were assigned at birth, the license is immediately revoked. It is a criminal penalty to drive using it, which means including going to the DMV to get it reissued. And congratulations. So the 2,000 people in Kansas, which has a population of millions, have been targeted because that is more important than fixing any of Kansas's problems. As you can see from Consumer News and World Reports, they suck. They are not even in the top half of education or healthcare or anything like that. But let's take the time to marginalize a group of people that has nothing to do with running the state efficiently. This is what I'm talking about. This is what happens when you let a ideology and a misinformed one create policy and law, because now it has set the precedent for the other states to do the same. Tennessee is just as bad after following the Carolinian laws, allowing for teachers to no longer require an education beyond the high school level. This is insanity. This is happening to keep you uneducated, uninformed, and keep your fear focused on a minority group while your rights are being stripped away. Please, I beg you, if you watch American news, especially right-leaning, do not take anything that they say until you have fact-checked it against at least 2 international sources. Because, no surprise to anybody, in the United States, it's not illegal to call news that is false news. It is technically now called news entertainment, and you have to put entertainment somewhere in that dialogue in small lettering. But in the rest of the world, it is illegal. Therefore, news coming from outside of the country in is much more reliable than American news. Fact check. Ask questions of people who are actual experts. I happen to actually be an expert on LGBT mental health and trans care. I have a doctorate in it. I am literally an expert in it. I do know more than the average idiot. These things that are happening are nothing more than smoke and mirrors to try to marginalize a people that have nothing to do with your woes. They are not causing you problems. They are not hiding in the bathroom to look at your children. They are not destroying our economy. That is all lies. It is all to keep you afraid and blindly listening to what they want you to hear. And this is the result of it. Learn, find facts, do fucking better.